Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a few months since I've posted a video. I've been really bad. It's just a lot of stuff has been going on, as you guys know. But since we are all quarantining right now, I was like, well, there's no better time to get back on YouTube and start fresh with my channel and try to be a little bit more consistent with posting. So with that being said, I have a very exciting video today because I had a special package come in, and that is my Causebox subscription. So if you guys don't know what Causebox is a subscription service that does beauty, lifestyle, fashion, all things like that. But everything is ethically sourced, cruelty-free. Most of the time it's vegan, and if you've seen any of my past videos, that's something that I'm personally really passionate about and like to incorporate in my day-to-day life. And I love subscription services, but they don't always morally align with what I like to purchase on my own. So when I found Causebox, I was super excited. So I'm going to do a unboxing here on my YouTube channel because I don't really have any idea what's in it. So I love watching unboxing videos. So I was like, what a good idea to just unbox on here. So if you're interested in what is in my spring 2020 Causebox, go ahead and stay tuned. Hi, I'm currently editing this and realizing how awful my contour looks, so please do not judge how bad and unblended my contour looks. And I promise I'm better at makeup than this, but I have not done my makeup in like a month and I'm tired and I'm not redoing this entire video, so just enjoy my terrible contour and my unboxing. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. It's kind of hard to show you. But I know they use a different artist every box to like hand draw the design that's going to be in the inside of each box, which is super cool. And this is spring, so it's really like green and lively and floral. And then on the top is like a little catalog that talks about each and every product that's inside the box, how it was made, and then the story behind it, how you can use the product. So that's really cool because you can kind of like love even more what you're using because you know how it was made and the story behind it, which is always nice when you're shopping small. Okay, so the first thing that I pulled out was this Dime Beauty. Excuse me looking down because I'm reading exactly what it is. So this is the Dime Beauty Super Eye Duo, and this has an eyelash boost serum and a volume mascara. This comes at a $46 value, so you're already almost at what you pay for the box. I believe it's $54.99 every 3 months, every 3 or 4 months for the box. So this is super cool. Yeah, it's an eyelash boost serum, which I really need because years of eyelash extensions can mess up your lashes. And then a volume mascara, which I'm really excited to use because I have another natural Honest Beauty mascara that I love and use, but I'm excited to try this one out. Okay, so the next thing that I pulled out is the Earth Harbor Agua Aura Reparative Eye Cream, and it has seaweed collagen and blue tansy in it. And I actually really been needing an eye cream because your girl's been having some dark under eyes, so I'm super excited to use it. So I'll let you know how it is. Reparative Eye Cream is restorative and awakening, featuring a brightening and plumping combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, potent antioxidants, replenishing plant oils, and soothing actives for firmer, stronger skin around the eye area. And this one values at $34, so we're already over what you pay for every 3 months, so you're already getting a good deal. Okay, so the next thing I'm really excited about because I had actually seen on their Instagram that they were putting these in their boxes, and this is something that I really needed and I'm so excited about. So this is the Artesian Direct Sustainable Grocery Starter Kit. So in here is a set of 5 100% cotton grocery bags, so you can use them for fruit and vegetables when you go to the market. And they actually have these little pull-off tags that you can know exactly like what the weight is when you go up to the cash register, so they know exactly how much to charge you. But these are made in India and they're just like so beautiful and well made, and I'm so excited to use these like at the market or at the grocery store. Love them. Okay, so this is another thing that I was really, oh, and sorry, the grocery bags value at $22. So we're getting up there. The next thing is another item that I was excited about that I had seen, and this is the stackable bento box, which is so cute when you go back to work to take in for your lunches. So it's a super cute bento box. This values at $29. And if you open it, it has like the utensils on the top, and then inside is like places to put your food. It's so cute, and I know they had like 3 or 4 colors. I think they had like yellow, blue, pink, and gray. You don't get to choose your colors when you have the monthly subscription rather than the annual one. You don't get to pick your colors, which I'm fine with because all the colors are really cute. So I'm super excited about this because when I do bring my lunch to work, you want it to be cute and you want to be fashionable and sustainable because they're reusable. You're not throwing them away every time. So the second to last product in here is the Calm Mood Mist. So this is a mood mist that does it all natural and aromatherapeutic. Cardiacid's signature product can be used as an aid for focus, a support for sleep, a body spray, and everything in between, and it is a $30 value. So it's a gentle way to enhance your mood through aromatherapy, so you can spray it on your pillow, on your body, in the bathroom, and wherever you want, and it's just like a calming mist. So I'm very excited. I mean, I'm excited about all of these things, but especially excited for this one because I've been having trouble sleeping with everything going on. I've just like not been able to get to sleep, so I'm excited to spray this on my pillow and see how it helps me. And of course everything is natural and ethical and all that fun stuff, so you don't have to worry about any of that with Causebox. Okay, so this one might be like what you get the most bang for your buck with. This is the Pixie Mood Zowie crossbody bag. So this one came in either blue, this honey color, or gray, I believe, no, or black. And I literally didn't care. I kind of didn't want black because I have so many black bags and I don't have any bags that are this color, and it is so freaking cute. This one values at $75, so this product alone covers the entirety of what you pay for the box. This one is from Pixie Mood, and I believe the inner of this bag is made 100% from recycled water bottles, which is amazing. It has so many compartments in the inside, which I love. Oh my gosh, it is just so freaking cute. And as you guys know, I love bags and vegan handbags. You can actually check out my vegan handbag collection, which I posted a few months ago, that has some Angela Roy and Matt and Nat on here. But now I can add Pixie Mood to my collection of vegan handbags, and it's just so cute, you guys. And it's a crossbody as well, which is folded in here, but you can use it as like a little clutch or a crossbody or whatever you want. And I love this color. It feels really like nice and durable. It really feels like leather. Obviously it's not, but it does feel like it. Okay, I thought that was the last product, but this is actually the last product. This is the Jenny Errol bandana. This one is made in India as well. It is so cute. I love the pattern of it. I love using bandanas like around my ponytail to like give it a little bit more, make me look a little bit more fashionable when I'm like not wanting to try it all. But this is 100% cotton, and it's just so freaking cute. I love it. Ethically sourced, as you guys know. I don't have to repeat myself a million times. But yeah, you guys, this is so freaking cute. Well, there you guys have it for my spring 2020 Causebox unboxing. I am really pleased with this box. I mean, I literally paid $55 for this box, and it has over $250 worth of really nicely made, ethically sourced, small business owned products, and you really can't ask for anything more than that. I will leave the link to Causebox down below for you guys to subscribe if you'd like to. I don't think there are any of these exact boxes left, but they have welcome boxes and they'll be making their summer boxes soon enough. So you guys can definitely go and check them out. I'll leave their Instagram. Make sure you guys go and check out my other vegan handbag collection. I have some what's in my bags on here, and I definitely will be posting a little bit more consistently on this channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you very soon. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.